Hey Fail fans, buckle up for a fresh dose of construction calamities. From runaway rollers to collapsing beams, these clips are comedy gold. If you're cracking up, hit like, share your favorite fail in the comments, and subscribe for more. Thanks for being here. Let's get to the laughs.
Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Haha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
And that's a wrap. Hope you had a laughostrophe. Thanks for watching. See you at 7 p.m. every day. Stay awesome.